Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Head Cleaner Kit is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone who relies on their inkjet printer. Clogged print heads can lead to frustrating streaks, faded colors, and wasted ink. This kit offers a simple and effective solution to restore your printer's performance, ensuring crisp, clear prints every time. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves to print photos, this is a must-have. Number 5. Printhead Cleaning Kit for Epson and WF printers. Are you experiencing issues like vertical or horizontal stripes? This kit is designed to solve those problems. It will make your prints clearer and more vibrant. This kit is a comprehensive solution for clogged printheads. It includes everything you need to restore your printer's performance. It has a 100 milliliters capacity. The cleaning solution contains high-performance ingredients. It effectively dissolves and cleans various ink types. It won't corrode the printhead and protects it. The kit includes a syringe, silicone tube, and instruction manual. You don't need to disassemble the printhead. The process is easy to follow. This kit is compatible with a wide range of Epson and Workforce printers. Check the description for a full list of compatible models. If you are not sure, please contact the vendor. The success rate is high, but results may vary. We are here to help if you have any issues. Please note that self-repair may damage your printer, so use this as a last resort. What we like. This kit offers efficient use, ensuring your prints are clear and vibrant. It effectively tackles clogs, restoring your printer's performance. If you're experiencing faded prints or streaks, this is the solution. It's easy to use, making it perfect for anyone who wants a quick fix without technical hassle. What people say. My printer now works perfectly, so pleased. The product came as described, 100 milliliters bottle, syringe, gloves, instructions, I flushed the heads once and got immediate results on all heads. They weren't perfect yet. But, they were at least working again. Number 4. Fosgoit Printhead Cleaning Kit for Inkjet Printers. Many inkjet printers suffer from clogged printheads. This kit is designed to solve this problem. It can restore your printer's performance. This cleaning kit is suitable for Epson EcoTank, HP OfficeJet, and Canon Inkjet printers. It works with a wide range of models, ensuring broad compatibility. The kit includes a specialized cleaning solution. It effectively dissolves hardened ink and impurities, restoring smooth ink flow. The kit features color-coded nozzles for different printer brands. This design prevents leakage and ensures a proper fit for your printer's ink ports. Regular cleaning with this kit protects your printhead. It helps extend the life of your printer, saving you money in the long run. The kit comes with everything you need, including a syringe, hoses, and gloves. Detailed instructions make the cleaning process simple and convenient. This cleaner works with various ink types, including OEM, dye, pigment, sublimation, and heat transfer inks. It's a versatile solution for all your printing needs. What we like. This kit is compatible with a wide range of printers, including Epson, HP, and Canon models. It's designed for easy use, with clear instructions and included tools. If you have multiple printers at home or in the office, this versatile kit is a great choice. It works with various ink types, making it a universal solution for your printing needs. What people say. It was pretty easy to use and made much less of a mess than I thought. After running it through the lines, it worked just as well as new. It comes with everything I need to clean my printer safely and effectively from nozzles to rollers. The instructions are clear, and the cleaning process was quick and easy. Number 3. Printer Cleaning Kit for HP Brother Epson Canon. Is your printer printing poorly? This cleaning kit is designed to solve common print quality issues. It can dissolve ink clogs and restore the printhead's functionality, making it print like new again. This kit works with a wide range of inkjet printers. It is compatible with OEM ink, dye, sublimation ink, and heat transfer inks. It is a versatile solution for many printer models. Unlike some cleaners, this one won't damage your printer. Its special formula effectively dissolves dried ink and other impurities. It ensures a thorough cleaning without causing harm. The kit comes with everything you need and full instructions. The included syringe, silicone hose, and gloves make the cleaning process easier. It is designed for convenient and effective use. Always unplug the printer before cleaning to avoid circuit issues. Do not use water or other water-based solutions with the cleaner. For best results, watch the operation video on YouTube for your specific printer model. What we like. The kit has excellent cleaning ability, effectively dissolving dried ink and restoring print quality. It's also easy to operate, with included tools and instructions. If you're looking for a reliable solution that works on various printer models and ink types, this is the one for you. What people say. It worked great on my brother investment printer, which I don't think was listed as compatible. It comes with everything one might need, even gloves. I used my own nitrile gloves by default. Fixed my clogged printer head in less than an hour. Number 2. Absonic Inkjet Printer Cleaning Kit. Is your printer's performance suffering? This kit is designed to revitalize your printer. It's the perfect solution for restoring print quality. This cleaning solution works with a wide range of inkjet printers. Whether you have an Epson, HP, Canon, or other brand, this kit has you covered. The kit includes everything you need for a thorough cleaning. It comes with cleaning fluid, syringes, and various nozzles. The process is straightforward and user-friendly. This solution effectively removes ink buildup and clogs. It is suitable for various ink types, including dye sublimation inks. This will bring your printer back to life. Don't let clogged printheads ruin your prints. This kit will help you achieve clear, vibrant results. It's a cost-effective way to maintain your printer. What we like. This kit is designed for all inkjet printers, ensuring broad compatibility. It's easy to operate, with different sized nozzles to fit various ink ports. If you have multiple printers from different brands, this kit is a great choice. It offers excellent cleaning performance, restoring your printer's print quality. What people say. After replacing the black ink, the quality report printed all the colors but not black. Upon using a very small amount of this liquid, and left it to dry for about 1 hour, the printer started to print perfectly again. I have used this several times to get my printers working correctly. You need to put paper towels under the print heads to absorb the liquid, but this thing works perfectly. My printers functioned like new after having clogged color output. Comes with enough size adapters for any nozzle type. I followed YouTube videos tutorial and finally the problem is resolved. I highly recommend this kit if you want to revive and clean printer head. Number 1. Epson Workforce Printer Printhead Cleaning Kit. Is your printer producing faded or streaked prints? This cleaning kit is designed to solve that problem. It will help you get back to clear, vibrant prints. Clogged printheads can cause all sorts of issues. This kit effectively removes ink blockages. It ensures your prints are sharp and detailed. The kit uses a special formula with active enzymes. It dissolves ink without damaging the printhead. This ensures a thorough and safe cleaning process. The kit comes with everything you need for easy cleaning. It includes a syringe, tube, and instructions. You don't need to disassemble the printer. This kit works with many Epson Workforce models. It's compatible with a wide range of printers. Check the list to see if it works for you. What we like. This kit ensures efficient use, solving printhead clogging issues and making prints clearer. It contains high-performance ingredients for excellent cleaning, dissolving various ink types. If you're looking for a simple and effective solution to restore your printer's performance, this is the one. What people say. The hose attachment fit perfectly on my Epson WF845. This formula works very well in breaking down the ink gunk that accumulates over time on printheads. If one follows the directions, the product and kit work perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.